9 powerful benefits of rosemary oil for your hair and body. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your hair and body health? Let me introduce you to rosemary oil. It's a powerful essential oil that's been cherished for centuries for its incredible benefits. Whether you're hoping to stimulate hair growth, clear up your skin, or simply feel more energized, rosemary oil might be just what you need. In today's video, I'll share with you 9 powerful benefits of rosemary oil for your hair and body. But before you jump in, remember, while rosemary oil is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before adding any new essential oil to your routine. Let's start with the video. 1. Promotes hair growth. Rosemary oil has gained popularity as a natural remedy for promoting hair growth, and its effectiveness is largely attributed to the unique properties of its active compounds. The oil works on multiple levels to stimulate hair growth, making it a sought-after option for those looking to improve their hair health naturally. One of the key components of rosemary oil is rosmarinic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation around hair follicles may stunt hair growth and even lead to hair loss. Rosmarinic acid helps reduce this inflammation, creating a healthier environment for hair follicles to thrive. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, it prevents damage to the hair cells, which is crucial for maintaining hair density and strength over time. Another essential element of rosemary oil is camphor. Camphor is known to enhance blood circulation when applied to the scalp, which is a critical factor in hair growth. Improved blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles, essentially feeding them and allowing them to function optimally. This increased circulation not only strengthens the hair follicles, but also promotes the phase of active hair growth, known as the anagen phase, helping hair to grow longer and thicker over time. A study involving 100 patients compared rosemary oil and minoxidil 2% for androgenetic alopecia over 6 months. Both groups showed significant hair count increases at 6 months, with no difference between treatments. Scalp itching occurred in both groups, but was more frequent with minoxidil. The results suggest rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil for alopecia treatment. 2. Improves memory and concentration. Rosemary oil is known not just for its aromatic qualities, but also for its impact on cognitive functions, particularly memory and concentration. When inhaled, rosemary oil quickly crosses the blood-brain barrier and interacts with neurotransmitter systems, particularly those involving acetylcholine, a key neurotransmitter related to learning and memory. By boosting acetylcholine levels, it helps improve communication between nerve cells, enhancing memory retention and recall. This increased neurotransmitter activity effectively sharpens the mind, making it easier to concentrate on tasks and process information quickly. Another critical compound found in rosemary oil is alpha-pinene, which has a notable impact on mental alertness. Alpha-pinene enhances brain function by improving oxygen delivery to brain cells, which is crucial for maintaining sharp cognitive abilities. This increased oxygen supply energizes the brain, allowing it to function at a higher capacity. The compound's effects on cerebral blood flow ensure that the brain remains well nourished and active, supporting sustained concentration and mental stamina. This is especially beneficial in situations that demand prolonged focus or quick thinking, as it helps maintain mental clarity without the typical fatigue that may set in during mentally demanding activities. A study published in PubMed explored aromatherapy's effects on dementia in 28 elderly individuals. Over 28 days, patients received rosemary and lemon oils in the morning and lavender and orange oils in the evening. Assessments showed significant cognitive improvement, particularly in Alzheimer patients, with no side effects or impact from caregivers. 3. Reduces muscle pain and inflammation. The effectiveness of rosemary oil in easing muscle discomfort lies in its unique combination of bioactive compounds. A key player in rosemary oil is camphor, a compound known for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Camphor works by penetrating the skin and interacting with sensory nerve receptors, particularly those responsible for sensing heat and cold. This interaction produces a mild warming sensation that helps to relax tense muscles and alleviate pain. By stimulating blood flow to the affected area, camphor not only eases muscle stiffness, but also accelerates the healing process by delivering more oxygen and nutrients to damaged tissues, thereby reducing inflammation at the site of discomfort. Another important element in rosemary oil is rosmarinic acid, which offers powerful anti-inflammatory effects that directly target the underlying causes of muscle pain. Rosmarinic acid inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory mediators, such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes, which are chemicals that contribute to inflammation and pain in the body. By blocking these pathways, rosmarinic acid helps to reduce swelling and muscle soreness, providing relief from conditions like muscle strains or exercise-induced inflammation. This compound also has antioxidant properties that protect muscle cells from oxidative stress, further reducing the risk of inflammation and promoting quicker recovery. In a 2-week study, stroke survivors with shoulder pain experienced a 30% pain reduction when treated with a rosemary oil blend and acupressure for 20 minutes twice daily, compared to a 15% reduction in those who received acupressure alone. 4. Boosts skin health and complexity. One of the standout components in rosemary oil is rosmarinic acid, a powerful antioxidant that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy skin. Rosmarinic acid helps protect skin cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that may accelerate aging and cause skin issues like dullness and wrinkles. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, rosmarinic acid helps preserve skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines, giving the skin a youthful, vibrant look. This antioxidant effect also supports the skin's natural healing processes, helping to repair damage from environmental factors such as UV rays and pollution. Apart from that, alpha-pinene, a major terpene found in rosemary oil, contributes to skin health by enhancing circulation and promoting oxygen delivery to skin cells. Improved blood flow nourishes the skin, delivering essential nutrients that help keep it looking fresh and radiant. This increased circulation also helps detoxify the skin by flushing out toxins that may lead to dullness and blemishes. The gentle stimulation provided by alpha-pinene helps brighten the complexion, giving the skin a natural, healthy glow that looks vibrant and well-nourished. In a study at a university outpatient rheumatology clinic in Switzerland, 12 patients with systemic sclerosis and Raynaud's phenomenon received applications of olive oil and 10% rosemary essential oil on their hands. Results showed that patients reported feeling warmer with rosemary oil. 5. Boosts energy. The rosemary oil compound acts as a natural stimulant, enhancing brain activity and improving cognitive performance. When inhaled, it quickly reaches the brain, where it influences neurotransmitter systems that control alertness and mental clarity. It works by increasing the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in maintaining focus and memory. This heightened brain activity creates a sense of mental sharpness, which directly contributes to feeling more awake, energized, and ready to tackle tasks with improved concentration. Furthermore, rosemary oil contributes to boosting energy by improving respiratory function and oxygen uptake. It has bronchodilatory effects, meaning it helps open up the airways, making breathing easier and more efficient. By enhancing oxygen delivery throughout the body, this oil helps keep cells well oxygenated, reducing fatigue and promoting sustained energy levels. This compound also positively impacts mood by reducing the perception of stress, which may otherwise drain energy and motivation. The result is a feeling of revitalization that keeps you going, even during demanding activities or long workdays. In a study, 20 healthy young adults who inhaled rosemary oil felt 30% more mentally refreshed and 25% less drowsy compared to those who inhaled placebo oil. 6. Strengthens immune system. Rosemary oil is not just a fragrant herb, it also plays a powerful role in boosting the immune system. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation may weaken the immune system over time. Rosmarinic acid helps by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that trigger inflammation. By reducing these signals, rosmarinic acid keeps inflammation in check, allowing the immune system to function more efficiently without being overwhelmed by constant inflammatory responses. This not only helps the body respond better to infections, but also reduces the overall burden on the immune system, keeping it strong and balanced. Moreover, camphor enhances the immune system through its antimicrobial properties. Camphor may help protect the body from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi that may compromise immune health. When applied topically or inhaled, camphor penetrates the respiratory system and skin, creating a barrier that helps fend off harmful microorganisms. This antimicrobial action provides an added layer of defense, reducing the risk of infections that could otherwise challenge the immune system. By keeping pathogens at bay, camphor supports the immune system's ability to focus on more critical tasks, like fighting off major illnesses or recovering from existing infections. According to a case study from the National Library of Medicine, a woman with Raynaud's disease, which affects circulation, massaged her hands with a rosemary oil blend and experienced increased warmth in her fingers compared to using a neutral oil. It suggests better blood circulation, strengthening immune systems. 7. Enhances respiratory health. The oil's impact on respiratory health is driven by its anti-inflammatory, expectorant, and antimicrobial properties, making it a natural choice for those looking to alleviate breathing difficulties and maintain healthy respiratory function. One of the primary compounds responsible for rosemary oil's respiratory benefits is eucalyptal. This compound is a powerful expectorant, meaning it helps loosen mucus and phlegm in the airways, making it easier to cough up and clear. When inhaled, it opens up the bronchial passages, reducing congestion and allowing for easier, deeper breaths. This is particularly beneficial for conditions like colds, sinusitis, and bronchitis, where excess mucus may obstruct normal breathing. By promoting mucus clearance, it helps keep the airways clear and supports overall lung health, reducing the effort needed to breathe comfortably. Additionally, rosemary oil plays a significant role in enhancing respiratory health by acting as a bronchodilator. This effect is especially helpful during respiratory conditions such as asthma or during allergic reactions when the airways may become constricted. The increased airflow reduces the sensation of breathlessness, helping you breathe easier and more effectively. Rosemary oil further supports respiratory health through its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial actions. By decreasing inflammation, it helps maintain open airways, allowing air to flow freely. Its antimicrobial properties also help fight off pathogens that can infect the respiratory system, such as bacteria and viruses, reducing the risk of respiratory infections. According to PubMed, rosemary essential oil supports respiratory health by increasing airway secretions, as shown in a study using pharmacological MRI. Inhalation of rosemary oil significantly boosted surface fluid in the trachea, aiding mucus clearance and improving respiratory function. 8. Reduces stress and anxiety. Rosemary oil is a natural remedy for reducing stress and anxiety. Linalool, an important element found in rosemary oil, contributes to its anxiety-reducing effects by acting directly on the nervous system. Linalool has sedative properties that help soothe the nerves without causing drowsiness, making it perfect for those moments when you need to calm down without losing focus. It works by binding to neurotransmitter receptors in the brain, particularly those associated with the calming effects of GABA. By enhancing the effects of GABA, linalool promotes relaxation, reduces muscle tension, and helps quiet the mind, making it easier to manage stress and anxiety in everyday situations. Apart from that, when inhaled, rosemary oil interacts with the limbic system, a part of the brain involved in regulating emotions, mood, and memory. This compound helps balance cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, which is often elevated during periods of anxiety. By lowering cortisol levels, it helps reduce the physical symptoms of stress, such as rapid heartbeat and tension, creating a sense of calm that allows the mind to relax and refocus. Published in Psychiatry Research, in a study, 22 young adults sniffed rosemary oil for 5 minutes. It resulted in 23% lower cortisol levels in their saliva compared to those who inhaled a non-aromatic compound. 9. Supports digestive health. Rosemary, commonly used in food and traditional medicine, offers significant benefits for digestive health. Its key compound, rosmarinic acid, relaxes smooth muscles in the intestine, helping to alleviate digestive issues like cramps and spasms. Rosemary also has choleretic properties, enhancing bile flow, which aids in fat digestion and overall digestive efficiency. These actions make rosemary a valuable natural remedy for managing digestive disorders such as peptic ulcers and gastrointestinal discomfort. Moreover, rosemary oil plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive balance through its antimicrobial properties. It helps keep harmful bacteria in check within the gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. A balanced microbiome is essential for optimal digestion, as beneficial bacteria aid in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and protecting against infections. By targeting and reducing the presence of harmful microbes, it helps prevent digestive disruptions like bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort that can arise from bacterial imbalances. Additionally, its soothing effect on the digestive tract helps relax smooth muscle tissue, easing spasms and reducing the likelihood of cramping. Additionally, bile helps emulsify fats, making them easier to digest and absorb in the intestines. By enhancing bile production, rosemary oil supports the body's ability to process and utilize dietary fats, preventing the uncomfortable sensation of heaviness or fullness that may come after meals. This increased digestive efficiency helps keep the digestive process running smoothly, reducing the risk of common issues like indigestion and sluggish digestion. Moving on, let's look at some of the potential downsides of rosemary oil. While rosemary oil has some excellent benefits, I just want you to be aware of a few potential downsides. Here are some of the potential drawbacks that you need to be aware of. 1. Skin irritation and allergic reactions. Rosemary oil may cause skin irritation, especially in individuals with sensitive skin or those allergic to plants in the mint family. It's always recommended to dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or olive oil, before applying it to the skin. Performing a patch test before broader application may help prevent adverse reactions. 2. Pregnancy and breastfeeding concerns. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution when using rosemary oil. High concentrations may stimulate uterine contractions, posing a risk during pregnancy. It's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before using rosemary oil in these circumstances to ensure safety. 3. Seizure risk. Rosemary oil contains camphor, which may be neurotoxic in large doses and may trigger seizures in individuals with epilepsy or seizure disorders. Those with such conditions should avoid using rosemary oil without medical advice, as it could exacerbate their symptoms. 4. Drug interactions. Rosemary oil may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, blood pressure drugs, and diuretics. The oil's compounds may enhance or counteract the effects of these medications, potentially leading to health complications. It's important to discuss rosemary oil use with a healthcare provider if you are taking any prescription medications. 5. Digestive upset. While rosemary oil may aid digestion, it is generally not recommended for internal use unless under the guidance of a qualified health professional. 6. Photosensitivity. Some compounds in rosemary oil may increase sensitivity to sunlight, potentially leading to sunburn or skin damage when exposed to UV rays. It's best to avoid direct sunlight or use sunscreen after applying rosemary oil topically. I hope you found these insights into rosemary oil helpful. As you may see, this little bottle of essential oil packs a punch when it comes to boosting your hair and body health. Whether it's helping your hair grow, soothing your skin, or lifting your mood, rosemary oil has so much to offer. If you decide to give rosemary oil a go, I will suggest you start slowly and see how your body reacts. Thus, you may enjoy discovering the natural power of this amazing oil. Today, we learned about all the good things that happen because of the benefits of rosemary oil. But did you know that there are other useful things in your pantry that may be just as helpful? Want to find out more? Watch 10 benefits of hydrogen peroxide no one told you about. Or watch 1 spoonful of olive oil every day does this to your body. You may watch either or both of them. Will you be adding rosemary oil to your diet from now on? Let us know in the comments section below.